Gopi Bhava Angikara. Lord Chaitanya says, Gopi Bhava Angikara. We should accept Gopi Bhava. The mood, their selfless mood of service, their friendship, their appreciation, their intimacy, and all the varieties of personalities that they have. But to especially zero in on a psychoanalysis of oneself. What is my psyche? What is my psychology? Oh, I'm a little harsh, but also I'm a little mild. But sometimes, which one's like that? Oh, I don't find any like that. So that'll all be adjusted when we go to the spiritual world. So for the Raganuga Sadhana Bhajan, we're simply supposed to follow in the footsteps of generically the gopis, as has been given to us by Rupa Goswami and and Raghunath Das. So practically, as a Gaudiya Vaishnava, although it says the word, I forget there's a word there, it says choose, but it doesn't mean, it's not really a choice, because I discussed this with my teacher. The word in the verse, because I had the same question 10 years ago. I said it's a choice. So eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one is it? He said no. The word is choice, but it's not really. There's no choice. Like we don't choose to take up bhakti. It just happens to us. So similarly, what happens is the beginning part of Raganuga Bhakti begins with a rag, with a passion, not a passion, a keen interest and desire. I want to love Krishna. I read about the gopis. I read about the cowherd boys. I read about Mother Yashoda and Rohini and all the different mothers. I want to love Krishna like that category of lovers, not one specific one. So you say, because we're Gaudiyas, so generally most Gaudiyas, practically 99%, they get the idea and get the interest to love Radha and Krishna as a gopi, like a Manjari, like Rupa Manjari and Rati Manjari. So then our role models, we don't really choose a particular gopi, but we just accept as our role models because our goal is to Gopi Bhav, and our goal is to be maidservants of Radharani, and our goal is is best exemplified by the Manjaris, and they all engage in all the different services of Radha and Krishna like the Sakhis, but their mode is tat tat bhava ichatmika. They want to nourish the loving pastimes of Radha and Krishna and experience that bhav by serving Radharani, not sambhog ichatmika. Icha means desire. They don't desire to sambhog, to enjoy together with Krishna, but the tat tat bhav ichatmika. They desire the bhav, the feeling, the mood, the happiness and joy that Radharani feels when she meets Krishna. So the Manjaris as a whole group and a category, their whole meditation is how to bring Radha and Krishna together. We worship Radha and Krishna Yugal together, and special emphasis on Radharani because we're Radha Sneha Adik. So we don't really choose, because in Gaudiya Vaishnavism, the basic, if you take Diksha in Gaudiya Vaishnavism, which is propagating Raganuga Bhakti and a special form of Bhavalas, it's called Bhavulas Rati, which is excessive, love for especially Radharani in the mood of the Sakhis and Manjaris specifically, and that Bhav arises due to their intense affection for Radharani when they're serving Radharani and Krishna.